How to remove Microsoft Authenticator app from your account. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily remove your Microsoft Authenticator app. So the first thing that you can do is open your web browser, and once it is open, you are going to search for Microsoft.com, and it will take you to this official website for Microsoft. Now, click on this profile icon to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you can click on this profile icon to go to My Microsoft Account. So just click on it and it will take you to your account dashboard. And you can see all of your account information from here. And now what you want to do is go to the Security tab at the left side of your screen. Click on Security. Now after that, you can see all of your security information right here, and all of your information on when you changed your last password, when it was last updated, and two-step verification. Since Microsoft Authenticator acts as two-step verification method, you're going to click on it. And you can see all of your two-step verification methods like entering your password, email a code, and send sign-in notification. So just click on Send Sign-in Notification and then click on Remove. And what this will do is remove the Authenticator app. And once you click on Remove, your Microsoft Authenticator will no longer act as two-step verification for your account. And that's how you remove Microsoft Authenticator from your account. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to your channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.